Hey guys, welcome back to my channel DIY Girl. Darshni here. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make your own pen holder or pen stand, whatever you wanna say. So let's go.
Didn't take very long after meeting you for me to make a move. Less than a week.
So to make this pencil stand, you need a piece of paper, a pair of scissors, a light color pencil and a bottle of glue. Start folding the A4 size sheet into a triangle. Then you need to cut off the excess. Once it's done cutting off, you need to start folding the page into half. Then open the sheet, fold the page till the line from both the sides. Now do the same but from the other side as shown in the video. After folding the page, you will get some mini squares or boxes. Now start folding those boxes into the triangle on all the four sides. Once done, fold the page into half till the middle line as shown in the video. Now turn the page back and do the same. Now take a dark color sheet of paper. Trace the rectangle onto the page as shown in the video. Cut it out. I would prefer cutting it a bit smaller than the measured to fit it properly into the page. Now done, you need to push the colored page inside the pink page and it's done. You can make your own color combination as I have done here. Now you just need to glue the pieces together as shown in the video. Stick all the pieces together. I would prefer to let it settle down for at least 15 minutes to let the glue dry. Now to make the base for the pen holder, we need a thin piece of cardboard sheet. Now start tracing your pen holder on the sheet of thin cardboard. I prefer using a color pencil rather than using a normal pencil. And do remember to trace the lines a bit bigger than what the size of a normal holder is. Now you need to just cut it out. Just glue it on and that's it. But don't forget the most important step, to cut the rest of the cardboard sheet as it looks uglier. So here is the final look of the pen holder, as you can see. for this pen holder you need a colorful sheet which is colored from the one side, and from the another side it should be white. So start folding the sheet into half vertically. Then you need to also fold it horizontally in half. Now fold the sheet as shown in the video. You need to fold it into a triangle or maybe half triangle, leaving a part below as shown in the video. Then fold the lower rectangle like shown in the video. Then again fold it into half. Then fold it once more. You need to do folding of this rectangle 3 times. Then flip the page. Fold the page as shown in the video from both the sides till the half we had made. Fold it once again as we did previously. Now you need to tuck this piece of paper inside the folds we have made. Then fold the rectangle half. Now just push your hand inside the hole we have created. Now to make it into exact holder, fold the page as shown in the video. For your convenience, I'm gonna fold it once more. Once done, your holder is completely done. I would like to glue mine as it is a bit too thick. Once glued, and that is it. All done by making a pen holder. That's it for today's video, guys. Hope you guys liked my video. If you did like the video, please click the like button and subscribe my channel if you're new to the channel. Thank you.